how to turn off contacts on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon, click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, we just have to go to Account Center. Now, once we're on Account Center, we just have to scroll down and see your information and permission. We just have to click on that. And as you can see, this gives us a various type of information and permission that we have on our Instagram. So all we have to do is to click on Upload Contacts and choose our Instagram. Let's say right here. Now, if this is toggled on, all you have to do is to turn this off. So we will be able to turn off the syncing of contacts on Instagram. Of course, this will not delete your previously synced contacts on Instagram, but instead it will help us choose who we want to connect to on Instagram. So we just have to turn this off if it is turned on. So that's how to turn off contacts on Instagram.